At the very beginning, every samosa starts with the land.
Wheat is harvested at peak maturity for strength and texture. These grains will become the crisp shell we recognize instantly.
The filling begins here, with fresh, starchy potatoes.
Nothing processed yet, just raw ingredients as nature made them. Texture and balance come from carefully selected vegetables.
Onions add depth, sweetness, and aroma to the filling.
Spices are grown, not manufactured, and timing matters. These flavors will define the samosa's identity. Even the frying oil begins as a harvested crop. Pressed, filtered, and stored for controlled use later. Clean water supports every stage that follows.
Speed matters, but consistency matters more.
Fresh produce travels without interruption. Flavor follows the same road. Controlled transport protects purity. Independent loads become a single system. Separate ingredients, one destination.
Every load is logged and verified.
Entry marks the start of industrial control. Design reduces delay and error.
Human judgment still matters here.
The handoff is precise.
Traceability is mandatory. Safety governs every transfer. From here on, everything changes. This is where raw ingredients meet industrial precision. Every step inside follows a controlled system. Experience and routine drive consistency. Clean zones begin at the threshold. Design here is intentional and repeatable. Heat control starts long before cooking. Production officially begins. From here, the process never stops. Cleaning starts with controlled agitation, not force. Dirt is removed without damaging the crop.
Waste is separated. Water is reused.
The movement is timed to the minute.
Cleaning and sorting are complete. Now, real transformation begins.
Shape and texture are decided here.
Uniform cuts ensure even cooking later.
Heat stabilizes texture before mixing.
Size control prevents flavor imbalance.
Sweetness is developed, not forced.
Balance comes from restraint.
Color and firmness are preserved.
Precision defines consistency.
Separate elements become one.
Human judgment confirms the numbers.
Flow must remain uninterrupted.
Buffering stabilizes the line. The shell is built for strength.
Elasticity is developed through motion.
Filling texture is engineered, not guessed. Rest allows structure to relax. Timing here affects the final bite. Thickness control defines the crunch. Precision starts before shaping. Consistency is measured, not assumed. Shape gives identity. Portion control defines every samosa.
Every gram ham has a purpose.
Structure takes shape through motion.
Uniformity enables scale.
Details define quality.
Human oversight still matters.
Waste is designed out.
Seals are reinforced, not overdone. Clean oil protects flavor. Heat transforms structure.
Experience fine-tunes automation.
Temperature control prevents shock.
The transformation is complete.
Cooling locks in structure.
Now precision takes over. Automation stabilizes what heat has created.
Every piece is measured in real time.
Cooling is controlled, not guessed.
Crispness depends on moisture balance.
Machines now see what humans once did.
Standards never slow the line. Portion accuracy is enforced automatically.
Automation still answers to people.
Precision replaces manual handling.
Excess oil is corrected immediately.
Numbers drive efficiency.
Automation hands off to precision finishing.
Scale is now fully under control.
Finishing is about consistency, not decoration. The seal defines durability.
Human hands still guide perfection. Order prepares efficiency.
Safety is silently enforced.
Precision is continuously confirmed.
Order prepares efficiency.
Safety is silently enforced.
Buffers prevent bottlenecks. Buffers prevent bottlenecks. Precision defines presentation.
Inside tells the real story.
Balance is measurable.
Crispness must recover. Excess oil never hides. Moisture defines shelf life. Safety is tested, not assumed.
Time is compressed without shortcuts.
Quality control is complete. Only proven products move on. The final form begins here. Protection is engineered into every pack.
Packaging is also quality control.
Units become inventory. Volume is organized for movement. Storage protects shelf life.
finished products leave under control.
The factory's work is done. Scale, precision, and discipline define the process.
And this is how modern factories produce crispy samosas from start to finish.